Yes, my friends, this is going to be amazing. Don't worry, I already spiced up the hamburger patties with a bunch of spices, like a barbecue spice. This is pre-boiled potato. I spiced it up with potato spice. Now let's add the eggs in there. This is so old-fashioned. A little Parmesan cheese on top. Cover with lid, cook for 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. A little fresh ground onions. Nice. Service on a little soft bread. Now add the egg on top. This is perfect old-fashioned, homemade, smashed cheeseburger with the egg. Look at that. So yummy and delicious. Let's try it. Not bad at all. So good. Like, share, and subscribe.